Okay. So what's your full name?
My full name is Raujat Walin Alo.
Okay. Alo. So today is your speaking test, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give you a chance to express yourself by using present simple tense. So what's that?
We can express our present or general activities by using present simple tense.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the sentence start, sorry?
Subject plus verb present plus object.
Okay, then if subject third person singular number.
If subject, he, she, it are any singular, we put s or es at the end of verb.
Okay, that's fine. So give some examples.
I go to school. Father goes to market. Mother cooks. They play football. I draw a picture.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the negative structure?
Subject plus do does plus verb base plus object.
Okay, subject plus do not or does not. Negative structure. Subject plus do not or does not plus verb base plus extension, right? Okay, so give some example of negative structure or negative sentences.
I do not go to school. I do not waking up early in the morning. I do not eat the spices. I do not go to Dhaka.
Okay, that's fine. So what are the question structure?
Do does plus subject plus verb base plus note of interrogation.
Okay. Do or does plus subject plus verb base plus object or extension plus note of interrogation. Okay, that's fine. So give some example of interrogative sentences.
Do you go to school? Do you go to Dhaka? Do you eat vegetables? Do you play football?
Okay, that's fine. So now I'll say some Bengali sentence, then you will convert into English, right?
So,
Okay. Baba সকালে হাঁটেন.
Father walks in the morning.
Okay, father walks in the morning. মা প্রতিদিন ভাত রান্না করেন.
Mother cooks rice every day.
Okay, আমি নিয়মিত বিদ্যালয়ে যাই.
I go to school regularly.
Okay. তুমি প্রতিদিন ভাত খাও.
You eat rice regularly.
Okay. প্রতিদিন হচ্ছে every
Every
day. You eat rice every day. Right?
Yes.
Okay. আমি কোরআন তেলাওয়াত করি.
I recite the Holy Quran.
Okay. So আমরা ধর্মীয় বই পড়ি. We read আমরা পড়ি. We read religious book. সে খবরের কাগজ পড়ে.
Sorry, sir.
সে খবরের কাগজ পড়ে.
He reads newspaper.
Right, he reads newspaper. Okay, আমি সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠি.
I wake up early in the morning.
Okay, তিনি নিয়মিত বাজারে যান.
She
goes to market regularly.
regularly.
She goes to market regularly. তুমি কি চা পান করো?
Do you eat tea? Drink tea?
Do you drink tea or do you take tea? We can say, do you take tea? Okay, তুমি কি চা পান করো?
Do you
Do you?
take tea?
Take tea. না, আমি চা পান করি না.
No, I do not take tea.
No, I do not take tea. Okay, that's fine. So what's your future plan?
I want to be a magistrate.
Okay, fine. You want to be a magistrate. May Allah grant you. And you are thank you.
Welcome, sir.